This is going to be an update video of the Kenmore microwave that my mom or dad got last spring. I'm going to show you some of the, or most of the option stuff, the buttons right there. This right here is to add a minute. This right here you press stop. And this right here makes that singing noise. Watch. I've actually never done that before. Shorter touch one. I'm not gonna really do it since I never done it much, but yeah. This right here is to reheat. Dinner plate. And also this is the cook time right there. Enter cooking time. I'll just set it for right. That's actually kind of the same thing, like with or without doing it. I don't know. This right here would be soften. I actually haven't tried all the buttons before, but anyway. Oh, I said it. That's weird. And this right here, express defrost. I'm gonna turn the light off and turn the other light on. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'll just turn it off for a little bit. But anyways, here, I'll turn the light back on. But anyways, this right here would be frozen vegetable right there. And by the way, this is to set the clock, meaning like when you want to change the time. Let's see, 6:38 perhaps. Touch start. AM touch 1 and PM touch 2. And touch start. And there we go. I might fix it up a little bit, but not now. This right here actually doesn't do anything, nor that one. This right here, oh, never mind. Let's see, there's option, there's sound, on and off, touch 1. The clock, on and off, touch 2. Scroll, speed, touch 3. Huh? No, thank you. I'm not gonna bother messing with that though, but anyways. Here's the side right here. This is just a reflection showing. I don't know if you could see right here, but yeah. I'll give you a better view of it, by the way. Let's see. By the way, I have a plate of dinner I'm gonna heat up. This is a actually, I'll set it for 5 seconds. Then you press stop. Oh yeah, here's what it says right here. I don't think you'll be able to see that. But yeah. I don't want to increase the video length to read through it, so I'm gonna see. There's the manufacturing right there, and UL listed is 5785. E82904. Model number is 721.66339.011. Serial number is 201TA01546. Made in China. And yeah. So there you have it. I'm gonna end the video now, but just thought I'd show you a bit of the other options. I'll just press that one again for the hay of it. Yep. Alright, well, anyways, this is probably the update video of it, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video now. Bye.